Hey, to change icons style on the Redmi Note 13 Pro, you have to open a themes application on your device. Now, I've got some kind of the ads, so we have to of course skip this, and we have to go for the themes, and then I can highly recommend you to select 3 themes. And now we can find the top 3. So now from this, just find the icons that you want to apply. So let's check, for example, right here. As you can see here, we got this kind of the icons, and if you want them to set, click to download. Now we have to wait for this downloading process at the bottom. There we go. Then tap to customize and unselect system, home screen and the lock screen, and now just select only icons. Then you have to click apply and you have to just wait until it will be finished. And now let's take a look. There we go. So now we just successfully changed the icon style on the Redmi Note 13 Pro. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.